Freddie Gray's death hit a raw nerve in a nation with a troubled history of race relations involving the police. Now, a hung jury has been unable to reach a verdict in the first trial relating to his death. Baltimore's mayor is appealing for calm.
If some choose to protest, they must peacefully demonstrate. That is their right. But I also want to be very, very clear about any potential disturbances in our city. We are prepared to respond.
25-year-old Freddie Gray suffered a spinal injury after being arrested, allegedly for possessing an illegal switchblade knife. Prosecutors say Officer William Porter caused Gray's death when he failed to secure him with a seatbelt.
That boy's leg look broke.
This video appears to show Porter looking on as Gray is shackled and placed in the van.
The family's position has always been that they want justice, and they know that the only people in a position to bring about justice are that judge and that jury. And you have heard that that jury could not reach a verdict, and you know now that that doesn't mean anything about the future.
According to court filings, the driver of the police van stopped at about 9 a.m. and asked Porter to check on Gray. And according to a report in the Baltimore Sun newspaper, Gray asked for medical help. The van made another stop to pick up another suspect. Paramedics weren't called until 9:24 when the van reached the police station. Gray's statements and those of all the officers accused will likely raise complex legal questions in court when Officer Porter's trial resumes and the trials of the other 5 officers involved get underway next year. Gray's death led to protests from New York to Seattle, Miami to Minneapolis. Here in Baltimore, rioting forced the authorities to impose a curfew and deploy the National Guard to maintain law and order. At the heart of this nationwide uproar, people asked a simple question of their country. Who will police the police? Civil rights campaigners saw the trial as a test of whether the justice system in the U.S. values black lives or not. John Terrett, Al Jazeera, Baltimore.